Assalamualaikum student, welcome to the classes of Sufa English High School. This is the continuing of history chapter number 3. So let's start. In Karnataka, Basaveshwar spread the Lignayat stream of thought. He opposed the caste system and stressed the dignity of labor. He opposed the caste system and stressed the dignity of labor. जाति धर्म को उन्होंने निश्चित किया. एंड ही स्ट्रेस्ड द डिग्निटी ऑफ लेबर मीन्स आपको आत्मनिर्भर बनना होगा. ओके. काया कावे Kailash is the well-known saying which means work is Kailash. Work is worship. He encouraged women's participation in his movement. Men and women belonging to all castes began to participate in the religious discussion conducted in the hall Anubhava Mantapa. Sri Basaveshwar conveyed his teaching in the language of the people, that is Kannada. Through the medium of Vachana literature, his work had a great impact on society. His followers have composed their work in Marathi also. Of this composition, Paramashari Hasya, composed by Manmant Swami, is very well known. Great saints in Karnataka include Purandar Dasa and others. They composed many devotional verses in Kannada. Children, in this all verses, and who has written that verses that we are teaching in this paragraph? He encourage women's participation in his movement, and work is worship means काम ही पूजा है. He began to participate in the religious discussions conducted in the hall, and that hall name is Anubhava Mantapa. Sri Basaveshwar conveyed his teaching in the language of Kannada through the medium of Vachana literature. His work has a great impact on society and have composed their work in Marathi language also. Manmant Swami is very well known great saint in Karnataka, and they compose many devotional verses in Kannada. Okay students, now Mahanubhav Pant. In the 13th century, Chakradhar Swami founded the Mahanubhav Pant in Maharashtra. This sect preaches devotion to Krishna. अभी यहाँ भक्ति किसकी हो रही है? कृष्ण की. Sri Govind Prabhu was the guru of the Chakradhar Swami. The followers of Chakradhar included men and women belonging to all castes and creeds. He supported equality. He supported equality. उन्होंने समानता को सपोर्ट किया. He traveled to all parts of Maharashtra preaching in Marathi. उन्होंने जो भी मैसेज स्प्रेड किया वो मराठी में किया. He preferred Marathi instead of Sanskrit. This led to the development of the Marathi language. Many works were composed in Marathi. So Chakradhar Swami was having great contribution in Marathi language. This sect mainly spread in the Vidarbha and Marathwada region of Maharashtra. Riddhipur in Vidarbha is an important place for people of this sect. This sect had reached up to faraway regions like the Punjab and Afghanistan. दिस सेक्ट, ये जो सेक्ट है बहुत फैल चुका था विदर्भ और मराठवाड़ा रीजन में जो महाराष्ट्र में. रिद्धिपुर इन विदर्भ इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट प्लेस फॉर पीपल. दिस सेक्ट हैज़ रीच टू पंजाब एंड अफगानिस्तान ऑल्सो. ओके स्टूडेंट, नाउ गुरु नानक वॉज द फाउंडर of Sikhism and the first Guru of Sikhs. His work has to be mentioned as a great attempt at religious synthesis. He visited the holy place of both Hindu and Muslims. He had also visited Makkah. He realized that the feeling of devotion is common everywhere. Now he went in holy place of Muslim also, and he went holy place of Hindu also, and he realized the feeling of devotion. He taught that all persons should be treated equally. His teaching aimed at achieving Hindu-Muslim unity. Children, Guru Nanak thought was also same and so renowned and famous person everyone. Their main motto was equality, unity. Why? Now in this present era, now too there is casteism followed. Why previously time that there was no education, but now all educated people have also thinking same thing, that there are different religion. Casteism there is very bad thing. That is very bad thing. If you all are studying, all taking education, I accept that you should never think this thing that he is from that caste, that she is from that caste. Not, no, got it children? We all are human being first of all, that you should know, and we all are equal. Got it? He emphasized just behavior means good behavior. Okay student, many people were influenced by the teaching of Guru Nanak. The number of his followers increased day by day. The followers of Guru Nanak are known as Sikhs. Shishyas meaning discipline. The Adi Grantha, also known as the Guru Granth Sahib, is the holy book of the Sikhs. The Adi Granth include composition by Nanak, Sant Namdev, Sant Kabir and other Sant. Guru Nanak was succeeded by 9 Gurus of the Sikhs. Guru Gobind Singh was the 10th of the Sikhs. After Guru Gobind Singh's Sikhs regards the Guru Granth Sahib as their Guru as per the order of Guru Gobind Singh. After that, nobody was there for them as a Guru. Only he was the 10th Guru, and he said, after me, Guru Gobind Singh book as followed. Okay. The follower of Guru Nanak are known as Sikhs. Shishyas meaning disciplines. The Adi Granth, also known as the Guru Granth Sahib, is the holy book of the Sikhs. Sant Namdev, Sant Kabir and other Sant. Guru Nanak was succeeded by 9 Gurus. He was succeeded by his 9 Gurus of the Sikhs. Okay student, now the Sufi sect. This is a sect in Islam. The Sufi Sant believe that God is full of love and the only way to reach him is through love and devotions. Their main teaching are love for all living beings, meditations and simple living. Khwaja Moinuddin Chishti, Sheikh Nizamuddin Awliya were great Sufi Sant. The teaching of Sufi Sant led to unity in the Hindu and Muslim communities. Sufi music has made valuable contribution to Indian music. The path of bhakti taught by Sant was easy to follow for the common people. The bhakti movement was open to all men and women. The Sant expressed their thought in the language of the people. The common people found them close to their heart. The Bhakti movement has contributed greatly to the making of the Indian culture. So children, what you have learned that you should never follow casteism, religion and all. We all are equal. All the caste and creed, everything are equal. Only we should live in harmony. We should live in peace. We should never follow wrong rules of casteism. Got it, children? And here all the Sant, all the Guru Nanak and Mahanubhav Pant, all are given the message that we are equal. There is no casteism, there is no religion. Okay, students, so we should also never follow the wrong rules, never learn that you should never follow casteism, religion. We should live in peace. We should live in peace. We should live in harmony. So we should never ever follow and never ever do the differentiate between Hindu and Muslim. All the Sant has given this message by this chapter. Okay, student, I hope you understood the lesson of history. So thank you.